Guys, today I'll show you super quick how to change a coolant expansion tank on a 2008 BMW X5 the E70 platform. This one is a 4.8 liter V8. So let's get I'll show you what we're working on. We're not working on this one. That's the GTR. We'll work on that another day, I'm sure. So super quick, I'll make this as easy as possible. In here, you can see this is the expansion tank. This is usually hooked up right there. And then there's one down there. So you got a couple bolts. So first one right here, second one right back here. And then you pull this off by lifting this little tab up right here. You pull, I'll show you, it's hard to do with one hand. But like that little piece of metal right there, you pull that up so it comes out, and then you slide this off. And then there's also another one of these at the bottom. I have it held right there, but I'll show you where these connect up. So the other one's right down at the bottom. Pull this out, because I already took this out. You can see right here on the bottom, that's where the other one connected up, just right there. Same thing. And then in here is the coolant temperature sensor. So you can see this right here. Just goes in like this. I'll show you. Just twists in. Twist that out. Pull that out. You may need it. I don't know if it's going to come on the new one or not. But yeah, I'm going to take it out again. Bolt right there, bolt right there, your top hose, your bottom hose, which I just looped through right there to hold it out because it was leaking coolant all over the place down here, as you can see. And then you pull off the, I don't know if you can see, let me get my lights so you can see it. And down here is the electric connector that goes in the bottom of that guy right there. So alright guys, so made it back with the new part, and we're gonna put this in and hook up the plug to here, the bottom piece here, and then the top piece on this one. And I will show you how it goes on this one, how to take all the little BMW fittings off if you don't know. So it looks like, let me put this down. It looks like this when it's up. And then so you'll slide that on, slide on a thing, and then you push this back down, clips down, holds it on. So I just put a little like screwdriver or whatever under right there, pull it up, and that's how you disconnect them and connect them. So this thing is gonna go in same way you pulled it out. Just like that. And I'll show you how to connect these up. Like I said, pull it up, put it on. I'll show you. So let me show you how to put this on now. So I use a little like pick to like pull up on that little piece of metal so that it comes up like that. It's always good to double check Make sure your O-ring's in there. Make sure it's good. Looks fine. You line it up. Push it on. Make sure it's seated real good. Push that down. It's on there. And that, my friends, that's how you change a coolant expansion tank on an E70 or 2008, 2007, 2009, I think all the way up to 2012. BMW X5, this one's V8, 4.8. And remove this, fill it up with coolant, test it out. Thanks.